Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Align Guitar, myself Varun. Today I will be sharing the tutorial video for the song Pehla Nasha from the Hindi movie Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. So I hope this tutorial will be useful for those who are trying to learn the song on their guitar. So the Pehla Nasha note will start from this particular note. This is E. I will tell you what are the notes covered in this particular song. So the note will be start C of third string, C, D, E in the second string, F, G, A, E, C. The major scale notations are all there, and some minor notes also will be coming, sharp notes also will be coming. I will tell you exactly at what notation in the song it is. So first of all I will let you know that this particular note I am taking as C. Actually it is not C in guitar tuning. So I am assuming that this is C and I am explaining all the notations for this song based on that C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So the note Pehla Nasha start at this particular note E. E and G, that is in Carnatic we call it as Ga, Ga and Pa. So E, G, D can be played in the third string and in second string anywhere which is convenient for you. You can use that. So E, G, D, and this is A. That is E and G only. You can see E, D, E. This is A and G. A can be played in the first string. I prefer you to play these notes in the second string itself. It will gives you a smoothing effect on the song. So Naya Pyar Hai will start from this is E and G. That is F, E, D. So I will play all these notes once again. Karalu mein kya apna haal will start from this note. This is C. C in the third string also is at this particular position. I already told you I will prefer to play this song on a single string. I prefer second string. So C is in this particular position. C, C, D, A. You can see I strike at B, then moved the note to A and back into B. So single strike free notation. So you can see C, D, A, B. क्या अपना हाल? This is C, C, F, E, D. C, F, E, D. A delay बेकरार. Same note. C, B, A. Instead of F, it will stop at E and D. So once again I will play all these notes. is A, sorry, C, D, E. So C, D, E, C, D. And a particular high note is coming, that is G. So these are the Pallavi stands for this note. So you can see I played with a single finger all the notes in a plucking style. It will gives you a smoothing effect on this particular song, and the Anupallavi of this song will start from this. This is C, D, G, A. C, D, G, A. So C, D. So G, then this A will be from this note F. So F, E, D, A, G. So F, E, D, A, G. A, G can be played here in first string also. Again the same note is coming. So that can be played in these two places. If it is played on second string, you can play here G, A sharp. This is the note I was telling you at the start of the tutorial. Sharp note is coming. This is A sharp. You can play it here. This is also A sharp. So G, A sharp. Halke. That is G, F, G. G, A sharp, C. And then again it will start from the Pallavi part, Pehla Nasha. So Anupallavi part I will play once again. So these are the notes. I hope you can learn from this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.